what I want, as you can see in front of me here, this is my first Kotobukiya statue. Yes, before this is all DC direct. So this is my first purchase outside of DC. I was told that the quality is actually very good. A lot of people actually recommend Kotobukiya. And also this Bishoujo range is very popular though. Oh yeah, the word Bishoujo here actually means young girls. So basically these superheroes here, or the characters, they are depicted as young girls. Strange, right? This Supergirl is done based on the art of this artist Shunta Yamashita. Unlike the DC collectibles that I'm used to, this is not numbered. They produce a lot and you don't know how many. And also it's not like a collector's edition. So this is actually the second time they re-released this Supergirl as a Bishoujo on the Bishoujo range. Let's unbox this. I chose this because I can't find the DC Direct posing and figure that I like, so I thought this will be a good addition to my collection. And I like Supergirl anyway. So as you can see, the box is totally at least this is how the Supergirl looks like. Okay, this is the front. It's a back, okay. And also it's on the side. It's a back. Okay, open up. And that's it. You'll have like two plastics here. Okay, so this is how she looks like. Okay, the scalp is done nicely. I don't see any paint jobs. Okay, there is green. The face also is clear. It's like basically it's like the box. I'm very happy with the quality actually. There's no like smears. So paint is done nicely. Okay, nicely. So she looks like the hair behind. She stands nicely at the base. The base is also connected to the leg, so you don't have to miss to attach it like some statues. So this is how it looks like. That's all for a review of my first Kotobukiya statue. Looks like if there's any opportunity, I will get more, and I recommend that you actually do the same though. Good one. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.